It's strawberry.
Strawberry jam.
It's strawberry.
Okay.
You can make in your home strawberry, raspberry,
Okay.
all kind of jams.
All kinds of jams. Okay.
Yeah.
So this
But
one's a lot
today
like
I
the
make
same one.
strawberry. Okay. I need a strawberry puree
Strawberry puree. Done.
and sugar.
How much you need?
1 kilogram.
What a coincidence.
That's one. Okay.
That's why you have it like this, huh?
You need to melt in a little bit.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
And I put it in the microwave to melt.
Just to give it a little heat.
Okay, I need the whole puree.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh yeah, this one is delicioso. Okay, where's the scale? Listo, scale. Okay, let's put it here. I need 4 grams. 0. Okay, Tony, can you add 603 grams?
600 grams. Here.
That's like big scoop.
A big scoop. You say how much?
603 grams.
600. I know how to do that. I can count.
That's why I say it's like big scoop.
Big scoop.
The
Even
sugar,
more, huh?
I know.
I only put a medium scoop in there. Okay, let's see. And a little bit more. 600.
You can make it in home. This one that's like if you want to low a little bit of sugar or more puree. That's good. Yeah.
And if you want to make your own puree at home, you just put fruit in a blender with some sugar.
Oh yeah. But you need to boil
But
it.
you can use any of them.
Yeah, you need to boil it. This one is like probably like another 15 minutes.
Okay.
You need to stir like make a jam.
Okay. Make a
There's
jam.
You see the raspberry? There's like boiling a lot.
Beautiful, beautiful. Fresas.
You need to keep the ice to the jam because it's like boiling a lot. It's like you need to like stir a little bit.
Gorgeous.
I love the smell.
I
The-
know.
uh-huh,
Oh
the
my
smell
God,
is-
it's so good. How can you tell when it's ready?
When it's like you see there's not boiling a lot and it's like almost thicky.
Thick?
Thick. Sí, pero todavía.
So when the
still
boiling
liquid,
slows
still
down?
liquid, yeah.
Yeah.
Still liquid and it's like keep like move, stir.
Keep moving so it doesn't burn. Is this one crystallized too or just burns?
This burn.
Just
No,
burns.
no, it's not crystalline. Quemarse.
Oh gosh. That's
See,
incredible.
there's like almost liquid, all the
Oh, that's
strawberry
gorgeous.
together with the sugar.
Yeah, just like you said, it's a lot darker, it's a lot thicker. The bubbles are moving way slower.
And you have done the strawberry jam.
And the strawberry jam is done. Sugar, puree,
See?
that's it.
That's it. Okay. Ready. Want to taste it, but it's hot. This one finished.
Okay, so we're gonna take your normal hot fudge and just make it even better.
No, because this one is a hot fudge and this one is Irish coffee hot fudge.
Irish coffee
and
hot
you need
fudge.
to add Baileys
Bailey's, okay.
and Trablit.
I have no idea. I don't speak Italian. Trablit?
Trablit. But this one is coffee extract.
Oh my gosh, okay. And so just so we have it, I'm gonna say the ingredients for the normal hot fudge is gonna be heavy whipping cream, 1,400 grams, whole milk, 240 grams, brown sugar, 290 grams, corn syrup is gonna be 1,250 grams, cocoa powder is gonna be 190 on the grams. You're gonna have 62% dark chocolate with 1,360 grams. You have butter at 120 grams. You have vanilla extract at 4 teaspoons. So we've got that already made up, and you're
Yes.
gonna add
And the pot.
Bailey's Irish cream
Uh-huh.
and coffee extract, which is a word in Italian, but I don't know. Trablit.
Trablit.
We're gonna go with that.
I need a spatula and I need a pot.
Already got it for us.
I know,
Many
Dave
hands,
is working
many
with me.
hands working together.
The cameras is working with me too. Yeah,
You've added a new skill to your set today.
Thank you.
Director, videographer, photographer, CEO of his own company, and
Okay, Tony, can you bring me the Bayless, the
Oh.
screen?
that I know how to do. Let's see. Easy, easy, easy. Boom.
Okay.
And you
And
need
I need
170. So the reason why we're measuring most of this stuff in weight is because depending on the humidity, especially in Texas, which is where we are, you're gonna get different volumes inside of these different liquids. So if it's hotter, it's gonna be a little bit larger. If it's colder, it's gonna be a little bit smaller. So you can use a measuring cup for something like this, but we drastically prefer the weight because that's not gonna change with humidity.
You're gonna change the flavor because
Yeah, you're gonna change the flavor.
Yeah.
It's the most important part. That's the hardest
um,
part though, isn't it? Is that consistency, so it's the exact same every time
Yeah,
someone comes in.
Okay,
One of-
necesitamos hot fudge, ¿cuánto?
We need 850 grams.
850 gramos.
Mm-hmm.
Ok. Está listo. Ponerlo aquí. Can you add the ice cream? The ice cream.
The
The
Baileys.
Bayless.
Yeah, of course, of course.
I want ice cream, Tony. That's why I say up.
Your brain's already on it.
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
0.
Zero this out. I know how to do this.
Uh-huh.
Ah, okay. And then you need to put 170 grams. Okay.
Mm-hmm. 70. Hey.
I know, you're scaring me. Oh my God. You're gonna make me mess it up. 170 on the dot, look at me. I can measure stuff.
Okay, I add to the hot fudge. Turn it on the machine. And you can add it in here. And Antonio, I need 1 teaspoon of the
Oh, I got it right over here.
tablet,
Trablit.
the extra
Trablit.
coffee.
Okay. I'm gonna dip this guy in here. This is a half teaspoon.
Yes, please.
1. We're using 1.5 teaspoons, so I'm gonna do 3 of them. 2. Otra vez. 3.
Y qué rico huele el café, ¿eh? Es extracto de café.
You gonna drink it?
No. Probablemente tú.
And it's basically like espresso to espresso.
Ajá, sí. Espresso to espresso.
Okay. And then
Está
the same thing.
listo. Sí. ¿Puede hacerlo, Tony?
I
Y
love these easy
terminamos.
recipes. Put this in here, heat it up. You're good. Done.
Done. Estamos listos.
Ah,
Maestro.
I know how to pour stuff. Pouring stuff for yourself. Oh, I can't believe I'm getting this.
Café.
Yeah. Oh, one little bit. Okay. That's okay. One little bit.
You see the muscles?
I know. Oh my God, Rocio, I can't believe you do this every day. Already my hands are shaking. I'm trying to. Okay, let's see if I can get that really cool finish that you did last time and stop it right at the right point.
Ajá, sí. Poquito.
Last second. Okay. Here
Pero
we
está
go.
listo.
And then
I got it, Tony.
you got it.
Sí.
She's already ready.
¿Le
to take
estamos?
care. There we go.
Todo.
I did it.
Listo. Hot pie.
Okay. And
Cinco.
that finishes the sauces.